Why is this waterfall so strange that the water doesn't even fall down and instead starts to go up? These are called reverse waterfalls. It almost seems like gravity can't pull the water down, while the real mystery is behind its location. You see the waterfalls drop from incredibly tall cliffs, and at that type of height, it leaves a ton of extra space underneath where air builds up pressure. So when the air pressure hits hard, it pushes up all the water to the sky. And even if you drop something off the cliff like a rock or stick, the wind will throw it right back to your face.